morning, everybody. Thank you for your hospitality. First of all, I would like to thank you for the organizers and you attendees to be here. It's a privilege to be here with you. I don't have a presentation, but I'm gonna be short, and I would like to focus on the main topics that we would like to discuss with you today and tomorrow. We are here with my dear colleague from Portugal. I'm from Hungary. We are here from European Institute of Innovation and Technology, Healthcare Division. And I'd like to speak about why we are here right now with you. First of all, we are looking for business cooperations. We are looking for a new and the first Turkish business partner for European Institute of Innovation and Technology, where we would like to make a shared common innovation with you. We know European Union healthcare market, but we don't know Turkish healthcare market, and we are looking for a partner who can help us to create a bridge to make connections between European Union markets and Turkey. That's why we are here today and tomorrow, and you are going to find us in the both area, and we can make a detailed conversation about European Institute of Innovation and Technology Healthcare Division. We are the biggest healthcare network in Europe. That means we are a member organization. We have so many partners like universities, hospitals, small and medium enterprises and multinational companies, even research institutions and some municipalities. We just created a network for healthcare innovation, and we are working together in three main areas, and that's why we are here. We would like to connect Turkey to this innovation healthcare ecosystem. We are supporting startups and companies. That means we give access to money, access to knowledge, access to funding to startups and companies, because we believe innovation starts with small companies, start with startups. Secondly, we have so many educational programs because we believe we have to educate physicians, we have to educate patients, we have to educate all stakeholders of healthcare ecosystem to make innovation happen in the real life and reach innovation to the patients. And last but not least, we are creating cross-border big innovation consortium within Europe with partners of EIT Health. That means we are working on from 3 years until 10 years of innovation projects, create something new, create something innovation, solutions or products to reach the patients directly. That's why we are here. And I would like to talk about a little bit a strategic approach, how EIT Health see your country, see your region. And after that, I would like to give not an advice because you know better Turkish ecosystem than me. I would like to give just only one tip. How can we make this collaboration in a real, in a practical way? So some strategic insights. I think your country and you are in a unique position. You know that because you have done it for centuries. You're connecting Europe and Asia. You connecting these two big continents, these two big experience and data hubs that we call in Europe and Asia, and you've done it very well. Imagine when we are talking about data, when we are talking about artificial intelligence that needs data, I think human needs experience. You have direct experiences for Asian markets and for European markets. That could be a competitive advantage of yours because you are in a unique positions. Imagine we have differences. Asian healthcare and European healthcare are so many differences. If you think about prevention behavior, patient behavior, regulations, maturity levels of digitization, there are so many differences between these two big continents, but there is only one big challenges that we have to face in the next decades. For example, there is a climate change. That's a common problem we have to solve. For example, there is digitization, which is also an opportunity, but also a challenge, because it will change our society. It will change our decision-making processes. It will change the healthcare processes, and also from, I don't know, just a third very important trend, there is an increasing demand for healthcare because we live longer and there are so many chronic diseases. And you cannot finance healthcare systems because that's a high-tech system for everybody. Have you ever imagined in the history of business in this earth when you had finance something that accessible to everyone but based on high-tech? It's by definition you cannot do that. So, by the way, we have one strategic goals, common goals in Asia and Europe, for example, climate change and digitizations, and boosting the healthcare industry itself. And we have differences. We can build on it, for example, in a practical way. And there are some initiatives in Europe that we're gonna make it in Europe based on European health data space initiatives. Why we should try to create a healthcare cloud with some digitized solutions that can reachable from every part of the world, that can reachable from Asia, from Europe. We just created those solutions based on maybe AI and AI algorithms, and we can use Asian markets because the regulations a little bit easier than in Europe. You know, in Europe we have pretty tough regulations with GDPR and medical device regulations and these kind of stuffs. We should develop and test AI algorithms in Asia, and maybe we can try to launch that in Europe throughout this kind of cloud. These clouds you have already found in an IT, ICT, the info communication industry made by Microsoft, Amazon, Google, etc. Nobody knows yet a cloud from healthcare that could be a global service or even just a service for Asia and Europe. It shows something that we are happy to work with you. And of course, that was only one tip from the hundreds of tips that we would like to work with you as European Institute of Innovation and Technology, and we would like to make your competitive advantage something tangible to the Turkish and every patient in the world. Thank you so much.